extra hand helps me.
How to collect the waste.
Let's build the garbage truck.
The main engine. Install the motor. Install the wheels. Connect to the battery. Install the garbage net.
Wow!
Waste collection in Seaside City.
Let's clean up the waste.
Great job, garbage truck.
Wow, they clean up fast.
This truck is so efficient.
Yeah, this garbage truck is amazing.
Impressive work, garbage truck.
The truck's doing an amazing job.
Clean streets, thanks to the truck.
Thanks you. Great, Alex. We need to clean the beach more. Waste collection at the beach.
Oh no, it's full of trash.
This beach is a garbage dump.
I will clean up cardboard waste first. Let's finish cleaning up the waste.
How to manage the waste. Step 1. Build the waste treatment system. Step 2. Manage the waste. Last episode, tower crane and piston lifting crane were used to pull cars out of sand and snow holes. In this episode, let's see if there are other ways to get cars unstuck. In a deserted area.
Stop, you thief!
You take this.
There's a sand hole. I'm stuck. How to get my car unstuck from this sand hole?
How to build a bulldozer. Step 1. Build the truck body. Add the conveyor belt. Add the engine. Connect the battery box. The bulldozer head. Step 2. Connect the head to the body. Testing.
Stay calm.
The bulldozer is here.
What can this vehicle do?
Don't worry.
My bulldozer will lift you out of the hole.
But how about the sand hole?
I have an idea.
I'll turn this sand hole into an underpass. 4 cars to cross between 2 sides of the road. The underpass is complete. Put a bridge over it, and done.
Thanks for your help. I need to chase the thief now.
This underpass leads straight to my house. How convenient.
Do you have another way to get your car unstuck? In the cinema.
The rats invaded the popcorn stand. This popcorn stand is closed. Hey,
Sorry, sir. This machine is awaiting repair.
But I still want to eat honey.
Don't worry, babe. I'll fix it.
How to build the popcorn making machine. Floor 1, the heating chamber. A candle. Floor 2, the popping chamber. Tin can. Floor 3, the stirring kettle. Floor 4, the top cover. Let's get started. Popcorn.
Here's a free gift for you for helping us.
Here you go, babe.
It smells so good. Alex,
We're late. Let's go to the auditorium.
the movie's already started. This is so scary.
What the hell?
My popcorn is all gone. Alex,
I'll go get some more.
2 cheese popcorn,
1 caramel popcorn and 1 snack.
1 matcha popcorn, and 1 Coke.
There are so many people.
Popcorn. Cheese.
Cheese popcorn is ready. Enjoy your popcorn.
Popcorn, caramel, and matcha.
It smells so good.
Yummy.
I'll buy all the popcorn flavors.
Coming right up.
Popcorn, cheese, matcha, caramel.
The machine is overloaded. Oh no. The theater is flooded with popcorn now.
What happened? Help me, Alex.
Spray water at the hazardous area.
Oh no.
Protect the surrounding area. Oh, stop right there.
Damn it. I'm free.
How to perform fire rescue. Step 1. Build the fire hydrant. Install the main engine into the housing. Pump water into the tank. Install the pump nozzle. Testing. Step 2. Build the fire truck. Install the wheels. Install the rear door. Set up the water hose. Install the aerial ladder.
Stay still. Don't move.
Oh my god. Help me, help me.
Help me!
Help me, help me.
No escape.
Get me out of here. Goodbye.
Don't do anything foolish. Help me. Stop right now.
I've lost control. Woohoo!